You want your fence and gates installed? Globus Gates got you. Check this out. We got 7 feet tall fence right here, almost as my height, full privacy, neighbor friendly, of course. If you see, it's called ALU60, all done in-house, all custom made, heavy duty, rust free, all licensed, of course. This job is in black, but we do custom colors, no discounts, because why? Globus got the best price, of course, and the best quality, all done in-house, family owned, all licensed. If you want the best in the game, make sure to come check our showroom, Globus Gates, the best in the game. Let's talk about the project, okay? Here we have a block wall, not the best looking, of course, but we was able to put our fence right next to it, install it all the way around. Of course, we got a topper wall for more privacy, of course. Come check this out. All the way around, full privacy, and we're hiding that block wall so you don't have to stucco it. You can just put the fence on, and that's it. Even though we just installed it right now, it's still clean. If you want your gates done in the best quality, come and check this out in Globus Gates.